Good morning, good afternoon, good whatever time of day it is and whatever part of the world you're at. Welcome back. With any word problem, I always say read the question first. Here's the question. What is the value of b? They're referring to this b right here, the value of the exponent for the y variable. Now they give us this expression right here. In this expression, these two groups are being multiplied together. Now within each group, those variables are being multiplied as well. So we're allowed to regroup it. We can do this. Now we're only looking for the value of b, so we're going to only focus on y group, y to the 6th times y to the 5th. Since we're multiplying exponents that have the same base, we add the exponent. So 6 plus 5 makes 11, which makes the value of b equal to 11.